in powder snow is the ultimate dream for all skiers. If you're lucky enough to experience powder on your next ski trip, the main thing you need to do is just adjust your stance a little bit from being really forward in your boots to being a little more evenly balanced over your whole foot. You don't sit back on your skis and try to pull your tips up out of the powder. You have to just be evenly weighted, and you also have to make sure you have really good fundamentals to ski in powder, keeping your hands out in front, keeping your body facing down the hill, and just using your legs to turn your skis. And after you have a little bit of practice in the powder, it becomes easy and so much fun. You probably won't want to ski any other conditions. I suggest take a lesson from a professional instructor, a PSIA certified instructor on the snow when you get to the powder, because it is a little bit different from the hard, icy or packed snow that you might ski more often.